perfect in-town location close to Algood Schools in a quiet neighborhood, this 3-bedroom, 2-bath, split-bedroom plan has had updating with much attention to detail. The kitchen is fully equipped with built-ins that offer an eat-in area. The master bedroom is gigantic and features a spacious walk-in closet and laundry room. At the rear of the home, you will find an oversized one-car attached garage with tons of room for a workshop or added storage.